Sleeker, smarter, and more refined than ever, the 2026 Tesla Model 3 isn't just an update. It's a statement. If you thought the Model 3 had already peaked, think again. Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews, where we break down the latest tech and auto releases so you can make smarter choices behind the wheel. Design. The first thing you'll notice about the new Model 3 is how clean it looks. Tesla's gone minimalist, again, with sharper headlights, a smoother front fascia, and even more aerodynamic lines. The flush door handles and redesigned rear give it a modern, upscale feel. Inside, it's all about simplicity, no buttons, no clutter, just premium materials and a spacious, open cabin. Performance. Under the hood, or floor, really, the 2026 Model 3 continues to impress. It offers brisk acceleration, with the dual-motor AWD version hitting 0 to 60 in just under 4 seconds. Range? Over 370 miles on a full charge, depending on the configuration. Handling is tight, ride quality is smoother than ever, and with updated suspension tuning, it's surprisingly composed even on rough roads. Features and technology. Tesla continues to lead with tech. The new Model 3 comes with an upgraded autopilot system, sharper cameras, and improved self-driving hardware. The central touchscreen is snappier and more responsive, and rear passengers now get their own display. Wireless charging, immersive audio, and Tesla's regular over-the-air updates keep the car feeling fresh long after you drive it off the lot. Conclusion. So, is the 2026 Tesla Model 3 still worth it? Absolutely. Whether you're new to EVs or upgrading from an earlier model, this one delivers efficiency, style, and next-gen tech in a single, well-rounded package. But what do you think? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, hit that like button if you enjoyed this review, and don't forget to subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more real-world takes on the latest EVs, tech, and everything in between. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.